welcome to MACFEST 2025 and welcome to Portland Basin Museum, one of our exciting partners this year. I'm so pleased with them. They've done terrific work, including hosting art workshop, and today we've had a marvelous mosaic painting and thoroughly enjoyed by everybody else. And we are going to have another one soon after, and then of course we're going to have an iftar. Join us for that on Thursday, okay? Thank you. The mosaic painting was delivered beautifully by our in-house artist Zareena Bano, who's doing workshop across the Northwest. Absolutely amazing work.
Hello, we're at the Basin Museum in Ashton-under-Lyne, where we're running a mosaic workshop as part of International Women's Day celebrations in Qaisra, with MACFEST helping us run it, and Qaisra Council has supported as well.
Would you like some help?
There's a variety of things.
So instead of peeling them, you could just dip them.
You know what else there is that's really important?
Today I took part in a mosaic making workshop, and we've got to pick some items that we would like to do, just get creative, so thank you. I think that says luxury. Luxury.
Okay, today we're taking part in one of the MACFEST workshops. It's the mosaic making one, something that we've never had the chance to do before. We're really enjoying ourselves, so thank you for putting the event on.
Thank you.
Excuse me, how long have...
I don't want to put any more on
Yeah,
oh my god, how inventive of an earring.
You know, this looks very gorgeous.
That was an earring, isn't it?
That's Bob the starfish.
Oh, you've named him, have you? It's not Bob.
Yeah.